instrument can easily be customized by the user. To make this tambourine, you need a paper plate, paint, a hole punch, bells, twine, cotton balls, glue, and clothespins. Flip the plate over and paint your design. Once the paint is dry, fold your paper plate in half and punch holes around the arc of the tambourine. Make sure both sides of the plate are lined up and punched through. To make the paper plate tambourine sturdy and soft to hold, stuff the inside with some cotton balls. Cut some short pieces of twine and thread them through the bells and then tie them onto your tambourine. Do not make them too tight or they won't jingle. Finish your tambourine by gluing the edges of the plate together. Clothespins can be used to hold it in place while it dries. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week for another easy instrument.